My lovelies, today is Thursday and we have entered into zone 1, which is the dining room and entryway. As you can see, my dining room table is, there's pretty much no clutter at all. So all I'm going to be doing today is quickly wiping down the tables. There's a couple of spots there, dusting the chairs, especially in the back. I will be moving the chairs and cleaning the floor underneath thoroughly. This is the dining room table every day. Our after dinner routine has been keeping everything pretty good. Right now, what I'm going to be showing you is the kitchen. Yesterday, it was an all-day event out on the road. Got back almost at 8 o'clock at night, so I just didn't have time to do anything. And this is basically the situation right here. I have an oil bottle here. I have to put away these things here. And just a little bit of stuff that I can throw in the dishwasher. Looks like a McDonald's cup and just a Tupperware. So I'm just gonna set this off to the side. I will be showing you guys a quick cook with me clip at the end of the video. I will be making lentil soup, or as we call it, I wanted to start off with the kitchen. This is a quick tidy up just to make sure that everything is in place prior to getting started on the dining room table. I just don't like to see the kitchen messy. If you're curious as to what I'm using to clean the counters, it is Mistolin in the lavender scent. This is like an all-purpose cleaner. It smells really good and I enjoy using it. For this part of the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and use the Purell multi-surface cleaner. It is an antibacterial. It has no scent whatsoever. So I'm just quickly wiping down all the glass globes. I am getting the kitchen ready to start my Easter decoration very soon. I will bring you guys along once I have filmed it. So just preparing and getting one step out the way. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but I'm very tired today. Even on days where I don't feel like doing anything, YouTube keeps me accountable. That's one of the reasons why I started this. I really do enjoy, bringing this information to you guys. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to clean, and as a result, my house stays very nice and tidy, and I enjoy it more. Now to zone 1, I'm going to go ahead and use the Pledge Lemon, and I just wanted to let you guys know that this table is actually 17 years old. I bought it when we moved into this house, and I just went ahead and restained it to this ebony color just to match a little bit more of my contemporary style now. I used to have the wine country style, which I loved for many years, but like everything in life, things change, so this is what I am enjoying now. I'll probably be refinishing it again every day to eat, and kids use it for homework, so there is some wear and tear on it, but easy fix. We can go ahead and restain it, no problem at all. So right now I'm just putting everything back on after I have thoroughly cleaned everything. Just so you guys know, I don't typically do this every day. I will just go ahead and clean off the areas where we eat at. But since we entered into zone 1, I wanted to give everything a good cleaning. And I'm just putting this quickly back on. But just know that this might change for spring decor. I don't know yet. We'll see how it evolves. And out comes the Cuban mop. I see everyone using all these fancy mops on YouTube, and you know, maybe one day I will invest into one, but I'm going to use what I have, and I want to encourage you guys to use what you have. You don't need anything fancy to get everything cleaned up. So here is the final results. Kind of looks the same, just cleaner. Tomorrow's 15 minutes, I'm going to probably give a good dusting to the chandelier, to the blinds and the windows. The dusting on the pictures, I already did that on Monday for the home blessing hour. Get the chandelier dusted and cleaned off. I'm probably going to do a very thorough cleaning on that. Haven't done that in a while. So here you have it. I hope you guys enjoy. Right now what I have inside the pot is the lentil beans, and I put a beef bouillon in here. I don't know if you saw it come up. Basically I put some water, some Sazon package, some salt, and Sazon Completo. So basically I put a couple of shakes of this. Some salt, Sazon Completo, with culantro and achiote. And beef bouillon. Add some water in it. I cut up some chorizo, and this is about 5 chorizos. And basically what I like to do is not only cut them in slices, but cut them in halves too, because we do have chorizo trolls that like to steal all the chorizos and just leave the beans behind. So this way everybody gets a little piece. And I'm gonna go ahead and bring this up to a boil and add this. Stir a little bit. Now you can also add some onions if you want, or garlic. I typically just put it in powder form. It's one, is easier, and two, the flavor comes out for me in this dish just the same. This is one of the easiest dishes you can do. One of the easiest beans you can make. Don't require a lot of effort, and they're done really fast. Anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes in a pressure cooker. So yeah, it's super easy. I will be adding also some Goya Sofrito, which has the ingredients that I just told you about. Has green peppers, onions, culantro. If you can't see or find culantro, you can use cilantro. They're very similar in taste. And garlic and olive oil. So this is already done for you. So for working moms, or even stay-at-home moms with little kids, you know, you're trying to find some extra time on your hands, just go ahead and buy it like this. It has a lot of flavor, it adds a lot of flavor, and it's already to be used. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause the camera real quick so that I can put 2 heaping tablespoons into the pot. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do this with the camera in my hands. And I'm running low, so I'm gonna have to put it onto my grocery list. I'm gonna add one more just because I can't get a full. And this is all to taste, people. At least I don't use measurements on a day-to-day basis. Basically eyeball it. We've been, you know, doing the dishes so long that you don't need any measurements. You just go adjusting it as you cook it. I mean, just like this, with nothing else, it's gonna be absolutely delicious. Okay, so now we're gonna put the lid on, and we're going to pressure cook it from 15 to 18 to 20 minutes. It all depends on your range, how hot it gets, how fast it cooks. It also, you know, dictates by the smell. Once you start smelling the goodness, you know it's almost about to be done. All right, so hang on. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a moment and empty out my dishwasher. So as I'm cleaning, I'm automatically putting in the items into the dishwasher, so we don't have a big cleanup after dinner. It'll be very, very fast, okay? So let me go ahead and put this away. Forgot, we have to add potatoes and carrots. Right now I'm using 3 small to medium sized potatoes and 3 small carrots. You're just gonna cut them in halves and maybe even in quarters. So you can add that into the beans. So you're gonna add more veggies. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put the lid back on and simmer or pressure cook it for, in my stove, is about 15 to 18 minutes. It may vary on different, you know, stoves, but I do have a convention oven, and it just cooks a little bit quicker than normal. So between 15 to 18 minutes, my dinner will be ready. I'm gonna go ahead and start some white rice, and that is going to be dinner for tonight. The final results. Smells so good. Seriously, I wish we had the smell-o-vision. So this is what it looks like. It is delicious. All the pieces of potato. You have all the pieces of chorizo. You have carrots. And I must say, this is a pretty healthy meal, guys. Look at that. Alright. So I hope you guys enjoyed cooking with me, and I hope this inspired you to create the lentil soup, or how we call it, lenteja. Thank you guys.